This is a tutorial about the short scene. Short scene is the app we can add the photo frames, watermark, and the location to your photos. Let me show how to use it in Microsoft Windows Store. First step, open Microsoft Store and type short scene in here. And this app. Its full name is short scene photo frames, watermarks, shooting locations. And you can try it. After you click the try button, then you can download it and open it. If you feel it better, you can. If you feel it good, you can just pay for it. And then let's start it. Click the open button. Okay. Now this is the main engine of this app. The first engine is about the template selection. Now I have created some pre-templates in this app. You can choose the one you feel you like it. And in the future, I will add more templates here. For now, let's select a template. Oh, for example, this one. Okay. Then you will go to the edit page, and the left region is about the region you can import pictures, and the middle region is the preview page, and the right region is about the editor page. You can adjust the frame border, content padding, and the text in this picture, and also you can adjust the logo, the brand of this picture. Okay, let's import the test pictures. You can select one or multiple picture here. Open it. Then the first one will be selected automatically, and you can find here the logo, the text, the text is preset, and also others. After you click the logo, the editor will go to the brand page, and in this page you can control show brand, just hide the logo, and also the hide of the logo. Okay, let's set it to 20. And the brand, this is Fujifilm because this photo is shot by Fujifilm camera. If your camera is not in this list, then it will be an empty or default logo here, and you can select other logos, other brand, or you can just upload. Your customer logos. The format is PNG and SVG. Okay, and also you can change other brand here, like for example, OnePlus. Okay, and you can see the logo OnePlus will be shown here. And also, if you click the text in this picture, for example, XH2, this is my camera model. Then the text region will be selected automatically, and you can find here list all the text in this picture, XH2, and this one, the taken date. You can modify that. For example, the taken date, you don't like this format, and you can edit here just. You can edit here. And also you can choose, because I already list some many kind of format here. You can just choose the one you like. For example, Sunday, October. Okay, and this is about the text, and you can also control the text style here, and show it foreground the text, and font size, offset for the horizontal and vertical. Okay, let's set it to 0. It's all about the default value. And also you can, after you modify this picture, the settings will be applied to all of the pictures in your all imported pictures. Let's select the second one, third one. Oops, it crashed. It's crashed. Amazing. Let's open it again. Because this app is the first version, it will have some bugs, and I will fix it. Let's import it again. Okay. This is the default logo. Let's change it. Change it to I like which one? Sony. And also I can choose the sub brand of Sony off. Okay, it will be better. Now let's import it. We already imported. Now let's export them. Before export, you can set in this settings button. You have a export quality. It will control the size on your disk about the picture. And let's click the export options. We can export the current one, and we can export all of them. For example, all of them. And select a picture folder. Here it will be picture output, and just select. Okay. Now all of them is exported, and click this button. Will open the folder. Now you can see here is the 3 photos I exported. Open it with Microsoft Photos, and you can find we already added frame with some text on this picture. Second one, third one, you can find the logo we set on that. And go back to the size. It's the size of this picture, of the exported picture, will be same with the original picture. So its quality will be good. This is the app about photo frames, watermark, and locations. And currently, looks like we just have frames for that. And in the future, I will add the watermark and the location functionality. And for now, you can also add the location information. For example, select this one, and we can find the location information here. Okay, sorry, because this picture not including the location information, so you have to edit it here. X-axis no, X-axis N, X-axis Y, something like that. Okay, and this is a picture shoot on my iPhone. It will record the location. Let's select this one and choose. Okay, found it. Okay, we are currently it's just the default value. In the future, I will update. Okay, thank you.